On our showground we have a 2013 registered single axle caravan. This is a Lunar Clubman CK. This is a great 2-berth, a credit to the previous owners, and comes with the Alde central heating, ATC and status TV aerial. It has long, comfortable bench seats that convert to a comfortable bed for two, a well-equipped mid-kitchen with good facilities, and plenty of available storage. And this caravan comes with our 12-month MB&G warranty. A sliding door takes you to a full-width washroom with good suite facilities, including a large wardrobe here. Get in touch with us here at Dometic Leisure if you'd like to view this 2013 Lunar Clubman CK.